Hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-generate ng QR code sa ating GCash for requesting and receiving money. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating GCash app and make sure guys na updated yung GCash na gagamitin natin. So, login lang natin yung ating GCash account. And ayan guys, pagka-open ng ating GCash app, so itap lang natin dito yung QR na nandito sa may lower middle part. So, tap lang natin to guys para mag-generate tayo ng QR code. So, kung magre-request kayo or magre-receive kayo ng money, ang kailangan nyo dyan guys itap is itong generate QR code. So, tap nyo lang tong button na to. And dito guys, may lalabas na option. So, hanapin nyo lang yung receive money via QR code. So, ito yung gagamitin natin pag magre-request tayo or magre-receive tayo ng pera. So, ito yung pipiliin natin. And ayan guys, automatic nakapag-generate na tayo ng QR code dito sa ating GCash. So, ito guys is ginagamit para mas mabilis tayong makareceive or makarequest ng pera. So ipapascan nyo lang to or isisend nyo sa gusto nyong sendan para makarequest or makareceive kayo ng pera. So, download nyo lang guys para ma-save yung QR code ninyo sa phone and pwede nyo din namang i-screenshot. So, nasa sa inyo na yan guys and pwede nyo din i-direkta, i-share ang QR code sa Messenger through text, WhatsApp, or kahit ano pang social media platforms. So, ayun lang guys, gano'n lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-generate ng QR code sa ating GCash sa pag-request or pag-receive ng pera. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.